So till now we have read that Natalia, Chabuco, and Lomo. Three of them are fighting. They are calling ill about each other, family members. They are using all kind of abusive language, bad words about their forefathers, uncle, aunt. One is calling scarecrow, a villain, a guzzling gambler, and a drunkard. All kind of the bad words they could use for defaming each other's family. They are using it. Now continue.
And that blind hand, yes, that turnip ghost, has the confounded cheek to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal!
Now finally Chabuko spoke about proposal. So actually he had come, actually Lomo had come for proposal, for proposing to Natalia. But because of the fight, because of the quarrel, he had forgotten. And now Chabuko said that, and that blind hen is calling him a blind hen. So all kind of words which people use while they fight, frustration, take out their frustration. Turnip ghost has the confounded chief to make a proposal and so on. What? A proposal? What proposal? So Natalia at the time asked, what proposal you're talking? Read Natalia.
What proposal?
Why? He came here to propose you.
To propose to me? Why didn't you tell me so before?
So he dresses up in evening clothes, the stuffed sausage, the wizened face from.
The stuffed sausage. Again, the father is calling him a stuffed sausage. So actually, it is a meat dish, sausage, made usually there in Europe, India also. So he's calling. He was a healthy, hearty man. So calling stuffed and wizen face from wizen means a wrinkle face, unattractive person. Continue.
To propose to me? Bring him bring him here.
Bring whom here?
Quick, quick, I'm ill. Fetch him.
What's that? What's the matter with you? Oh, unhappy man that I am. I will shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for her.
I'm dying. Fetch him.
True. At once, don't yell.
What have they done to me? Fetch him back. Fetch him.
He is coming, and so on. Devil, take him. Off. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to.
Fetch him.
He is coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden, Lord, to be father of a grown up daughter. I'll cut my throat, and I will indeed. We curse him, abuse him, drove him out, and it's all you. You.
No, it was you.
I tell you, it's not my fault. Now, you talk to him yourself.
So now father and daughter, both of them have started quarreling because the father doesn't want Lomo to come back. Whereas the moment Natalia heard about proposal, she was her mind changed. She was transformed. She was calculative. She was economically good. So she thought, what proposal? He had come to propose me. Father said yes. Therefore he was in his evening dress, best jacket. So call him back, and father was not in agreement to call him back. Still, he had to fulfill the desire, fulfill the wish of his daughter. He was back. Lomo was back. But before he was back, father and daughter, both of them were fighting. They were quarreling. They were blaming each other. That because of you, the proposal has been spoiled. Because of you, he has not proposed me. Continue.
My heart's palpitating awfully. My foot's gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side.
Forgive us, Ivan Vasilevich. We were all a little heated. I remember now. Oxen Meadows really are yours.
My heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching.
The meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Don't do sit down. They were wrong. We were wrong.
I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me but the principle.
Yes, the principal just so. Now let's talk of something else.
The most so as I have evidence, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's prison.
Yes, yes. Let that pass. I wish I knew how to get him started. Are you going to start shooting soon?
I am thinking of having a go at the Black Cock, honored Natalia Stepanovich. After the harvest, oh, I have you heard.
Now they have changed the topic and she asks, are you planning to go for a shooting, hunting? So this is also one of the hobbies of the people, hunting the animal, the poor animal, the innocent animal, especially the rich, wealthy people. Continue.
Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog, guess who you know, had gone lame.
What a pity. Why?
I don't know, must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My very best dogs, to say nothing of the expense. I gave Mirunov 125 rubles for him.
It was too much. Ivan Vasilevich.
I think it was very cheap. He is a first-rate dog.
Papa gave him 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is he's better than his.
Squeezers better than guess? What an idea. Squeezers better than guess.
Oh, of course, he's better. Of course, Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree, he's better than anything that even Volchan Sky has got.
So
Excuse
these are the two names of dogs. One is Squeezer and another one is Guess. Guess is owned by Lomo and he is around 125 rubles. He had spent 125 rubles for him and he says, Natalia says, my father gave 85 rubles for Squeezer and Squeezer is heaps better than Guess. And Guess was lame. Last time something happened to him, and because of that, he was not going for shooting or hunting. Continue.
Excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forget that he is overshot. And and overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter.
Overshot is he. The first time I hear it.
So
I
overshot here stand for the lower jaw of the dog is shorter than the upper one. So overshot, this is a technical term or biological term used here. So overshot. The word is overshot. And he says that since he is overshot, he is a bad hunter.
I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than upper.
That's the meaning. Lower jaw is shorter than the upper. That's the meaning of overshot.
Have you measured?
Yes, he is all right at following, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything,
In the first place, a squeezer is a thoroughbred
Thoroughbred animal.
animal, the son of harness and chisels, while there's no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. He's old and as ugly as a worn out cat horse.
he is old, but I wouldn't take 5 quizzes for him. Why? How can you? Guess is a dog. As for squeezers, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like as a dog as good as squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for it.
So he says Lomo is saying that my dog is better, and even if somebody gives me five squeezer breed of dog in place of my Lomo, my guess, I wouldn't accept it. And he says that 85 also too much amount. Only 25 rubles should have been paid for that. So they are quarreling. Now they are trying to prove to each other that whose dog is better. Continue.
There's some demand of contradiction in you today, Ivan Vasilevich. First, you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now, that guess is better than Squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. What do you want to say, Devran?
I see Natalia Stepnova that you consider me either blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is overshot.
It's not true.
He is.
It's not true.
Why shout, madam?
By top Lord, it's awful. It's time your guest was short and you compare him with Squeezer.
Excuse me, I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating.
I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least.
Madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up.
I shan't shut up until you acknowledge that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guest.
100 times more. Be hanged to your squeezers. His head, his eyes, shoulders.
There's no need to hang your silly guest. He's half dead already.
Shut up. My heart's busting.
I shan't shut up.
What's the matter now?
Papa, tell me truly, which is the better dog, our Squeezer or his guest?
Stepan Stepanovich, I implore you to tell me just one thing. Is your squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no?
And suppose he is. What does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that, and so on.
But isn't it my guess better? Really now?
Don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me. Your guest certainly has its good points. He is purebred, firm on his feet, has well
Pure bred means he is a breeding of pure two different dogs. So he's a pure bred. He is not mixed bred.
and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, that dog has two defects. He is old and he is short in the muzzle.
Excuse me, my heart.
Mother means mouth.
Excuse me, my heart. Let's take the fact. You will remember that on the Marsh Clooney hunts, my guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog, while your Squeezers was left a goat worse behind.
He got left behind because the count's whisper hit him with his list.
And with good reason, the dogs are running after a fox when Squeezers got and start worrying a sheep.
It's not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper, and so, just because of that, let's stop arguing. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. Yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You no sooner begin with this, that, and the other, and all that. I remember everything.
I remember too.
I remember too. What do you remember?
My hurts, my foot's going to sleep. I can't.
My heart, what sort of a hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go after foxes. My heart.
Yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you anyway? You ought to sit at home with your palpitation and not go tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. Let's change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all, anyway.
And now they have started talking about each other's quality, personal attack. That you call yourself a hunter. What kind of hunter you are? You are an idiotic man, and you suffer from palpitation. Instead of going for hunting the animal, you go to the kitchen and catch some cockroaches, some black beetles. The word has been used here, beetle. So instead of going, you have no strength. You always say that you are suffering from palpitation. Your legs have numbed. You can't stand. Your legs are sleeping. Can't.
And are you a hunter? You only go to hunting to get in with the court and to intrigue you. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer.
What? I am an integral. Shut up,
Intriguer.
boy pup.
All right. Jisoo.
Shut up, or I will shoot you like a partridge. You fool.
Everybody knows that, oh my heart, your late wife used to beat you. My sweet temple sparks, I fall.
So now see what they have written. I will shoot you like a partridges. Oh Jesus, oh Jesuit, you are a rat, all rat. There is a term Jesuit, Jesu. So this is used for Jesus, God. So all rat, God is all rat. Then Chabuko calls boy, pup, you are a pup, you are a boy. Intruder. And all kind of different other words are mentioned here. Continue.
and you are under the sleeper of your
Housekeeper.
housekeeper.
There, my heart burst. My shoulders come off. Where's my shoulder? I die. A doctor.
Boy, milksop, fool, I am sick. Sick.
What sort of a hunter are you? You can't even sit on a horse. Papa, what's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa. Ivan Vasilevich, he's dead.
I am sick. I can't breathe. Air.
He's dead. Ivan Vasilevich, what have you done to me? He's dead. A doctor, a doctor.
Oh, what is it? What's the matter?
He's dead, dead.
Who's dead? So he is. My word, water, a doctor. Drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he's dead and all that. I am the most unhappy of man. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What I am waiting for? Give me a knife. Give me a pistol. He seems to be coming around. Drink some water. That's right.
I see stars, mist. Where I am? Where am I?
Hurry up and get married. And well, to the devil with his you. She is willing. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessings and so on. Only leave me in peace.
What? To whom?
She is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you.
He's alive. Yes, yes, and living.
Kiss each other.
Kiss whom? Very nice to accuse me. What's this all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts. I am happy. Natalia Stepnova. My foot's gone to sleep.
I'm happy too.
What a weight off my shoulders. Oof.
But still, you will admit now that guess is worse than squeezer.
Better.
Worse.
Well, that's a way to start your family bliss. Have some champagne.
Bliss means blessing. Bliss means happiness. So that's the way to start your family bliss, family blessing. Have some champagne. So he had fallen and he says, "I'm dying." And the daughter called father, said, "Father, he is dead. He is dead. Come." And before he was dead, father also took the opportunity of the occasion. Daughter also took the opportunity of the occasion, and father said, she is willing to marry you. He's saying, "Whom? Where I am? I have lost all my senses. I can't see. I can see the stars. I'm becoming unconscious." And then finally, a little bit senses was there. He comes to senses, and the proposal was accepted. The blessing was done, and father tells to tell them to kiss each other, and whatever their custom is there in the marriage or before the marriage, that goes on. And now he says, "Oh, what a weight of my shoulder." Oh, but still you will admit now that. And then again after that, he started saying, they started fighting with each other. Natalia says that you will still agree, you will admit that, guess the dog is worse than Squeezer, and Squeezer is best. Lomo says better. Natalia says worse. Shabuko. Well, that's a way to start your family. Please have some champagne. Lomo again say, he is better. My dog is better. Natalia, words, words, words. Shabuko, trying to shout her down. Champagne, champagne, bring the champagne. Start the party. Enjoy the celebration. And this way, the story gets over, the drama gets over. So you come to know how it start. Actually, he had come for proposing the daughter Natalia, but his proposal was forgotten. He started fighting first over Oxen Meadows, and then second over the dog Squeezer, even though the proposal was made. And then again they started fighting, and father was the one who was interrupting. Father was the one who understood both of them, that they are quarrelsome character. The father was better, even Chabuko was better than two of them. So that's it. We have done the chapter. Now we shall discuss the question answer of it. So you can continue your book.